In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Wix for free in August 2025. If you've been thinking about building a website, Wix is offering a free trial on all of its premium plans. Now is such a great time. You can go ahead and get started with Wix for free. If you're not familiar with Wix, I just wanted to give a quick little overview and then I'll tell you how to get signed up for free. If you've never used Wix before, it's one of the easiest website builders out there. And I mean that in the best way. It's a drag and drop platform, so you don't need to know how to code or mess with anything complicated. You literally choose a template, click on the parts you want to change, and customize it however you like. Whether you're building a blog, a business site, an online store, or even a portfolio, Wix has templates and tools for all of it. What's really cool is that it's really flexible. You can keep things super simple, or you can dive into more advanced features like custom animations, member areas, email marketing, and even selling digital products. It's built for people who want their website to look polished without having to hire a designer or developer. That's why millions of users around the world trust Wix to power their online presence. So all you have to do to get signed up for free is go ahead and use our exclusive link down in the description below. You don't even have to type in your credit card or anything. All you have to do is type in an email, go ahead and click start now, and then it will prompt you to create a password. And then once you are in, you can go ahead and create a new site right here. I'm just going to show you the different plans and pricing options just so you're aware. So once you click into your site, you can click upgrade at any time. We'll go ahead and click compare plans. So they have a couple of different options for you. They've got the light, the core, the business, and the business elite. So all plans include a custom domain, no Wix branding on site, and 24/7 customer care. The light plan is $17 per month. You get 2 collaborators, 2 gigabytes of storage, the light marketing suite, and a free domain for 1 year. The core is $29 a month, and this gets you 5 collaborators, 50 gigabytes of storage, basic marketing suite, accept payments and basic e-commerce. Then we've got the business, which is $39 a month. You get 10 collaborators, 100 gigabytes of storage space, standard marketing suite, and standard e-commerce. And lastly is the business elite plan, which is $159 per month. You get 100 collaborators, unlimited storage, and the advanced e-commerce and advanced developer platform. So what's cool about Wix is it just grows with you. So you could always start with the free plan and then upgrade to the light and then the core once you need it, etc. So again, to get started for free, just use our exclusive link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It just helps us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. And that's it for today. Super simple. If you're ready to test it out yourself, just use our link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.